So to fix this problem, just have to restart your device by tapping on the power button for some while. Tap on restart and tap on OK, and this problem is going to get fixed. When it's not getting fixed, this is the second method. So what you have to do is to just head straight to your phone menu and try to search for Reddit app. So when you find your Reddit app, just tap on it for some while, then you're going to see this pop up. So when this pop up over here, what you have to do is to tap over here on this symbol. So just tap on the symbol, and when you tap on it, you're going to be in the app info of Reddit. So when you get over here, tap on force stop, then tap on OK. After that, tap on storage and cache, then you tap on the clear cache to clear the cache. After doing this, just go back and tap on mobile data and Wi-Fi and other device. You're going to see mobile data and restriction. It's all the same thing. What you have to do is to just turn on the background data. When it's off like this, just tap on it to turn it on. After doing this, go back and tap on notifications and make sure the show notification is also turned on. So just tap on it to toggle it on. After that, go back and tap on permission and make sure the camera, location, microphone and storage are all allowed and not denied. After doing this, you are done. So now the next step is for you to check the update on Google Play Store. So you just have to scroll in your phone menu and just try to search for Google Play Store. When you find the Google Play Store, just tap on it to open it. After that, what you have to do when you get here is to update it. So just tap over here on the updates to get the latest update of this app. After that, tap on the power button for some while, tap on restart and tap on OK. And this is how to fix the problem. See you in the next one.